Alright, this is really funny. The seagulls are talking to me. They're like right there. I'm not even joking. I think this is the seagull sound. Run away, run away, run away with your steps, with your breaths, with all the shallow depths you think you had inside. Run away, run away. Take all your words and cram them onto a page with a pen. Run around like a chicken or a hen, without your hand, without your bread, without any money to make your bed. Where you gonna do your wash, and where you gonna toss all your drained ideas. Where you gonna go instead? Where you gonna go, where you gonna go, where you gonna go instead? Where you gonna go when no one has a way? Where you gonna follow when it's the close of the day and there's no more reports to make? I don't know, Mama. I don't know, Mama. Another faster way to erase your drama from the page in my head and the thoughts that won't erase everything that you said.